So let me explain what your neutral space is. Your neutral space has to do with, I call it like the hula hoop. Imagine your body is in a hula hoop. You don't want people, and we can all relate to this right now because of COVID, you don't want people in your bubble, right? You don't want people in your space. That is your neutral space, okay? So if you can think of it like that. Your neutral space can be right in front of your body. It can be your neutral space around your head. So for example, the sign for mom is actually touching my body. But for example, the sign for aunt doesn't touch my body. So the sign for aunt is my letter A. Aunt is a female, so it would go on the bottom. We have aunt on the bottom versus your uncle on the top. Notice the sign for uncle is the letter U. The sign for aunt is an A, but I'm not actually touching my body. If I were to touch my body, this actually can mean something different. Okay, so if I drag it down, it could be a girl. There's lots of different things. If you change the position or the location, it can change the whole meaning of the sign.